Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a simple eyeshadow look. Yeah, so I just listed out the products I used in achieving this eyeshadow look. So first of all, I'm going to go in with my primer. As you can see, I'm applying my primer. Yeah, and then I use my lipstick. This is a lipstick. I got this red color from a lipstick palette. I wanted to try it because I do see some makeup artists use their lipstick for eyeshadow and it comes out very nice. So I decided to use my lipstick palette to do this eyeshadow before I now started using my main eyeshadow to kind of dry it down. Yeah, before I started blending my crease. So as you guys can see, I'm now toning it down with other colors. I used brown to blend it in and a little pinch of black. Yeah, so just a very simple eyeshadow look. I wanted to do a Halloween look. Yeah, that's why I went for this red color, a Halloween look. That's what I'm trying to achieve here. It's a very simple look that you can do for your Halloween. Yeah, so after that I decided to draw a winged eyeliner. Yeah, it's been long I've done this kind of eyeliner, so I decided to draw it, as you can see. So I used a liquid eyeliner for this. Yeah, so I didn't really use that normal eyeliner we use. I can't remember the name of the eyeliner I used. So yeah, this eyeliner is very strong. Whenever I'm done with my makeup, to clean that eyeliner off from my face is very hard. It always lasts in my face. Like I need to carry that eyeliner for days for you to understand how thick and how good that eyeliner is. So over here I'm putting my lashes, as you can see. So tell me what you think about this eyeshadow look, guys.